Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the blue screen error Wmiacpi.sys. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you with a stop code system, service and exceptions, and that Wmiacpi.sys. So the primary cause of this error related to the Wmiacpi.sys driver, which is integral to the Windows Management Interface for ACPI or Advanced Configurations and Power Interface. And another causes include outdated or corrupted system drivers, hardware conflict, and computer memory or power supply. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to uninstall Lenovo Vantage. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. And once you open up this runs, so here at the box, and then we need to type this command keyword up with .cpl. So just type this command keyword up with, so appwiz.cpl, and then click OK. And directly open here at programs and features. And then next step, and then we need to find this Lenovo Vantage or Lenovo Vantage services. Alright, so for example, you find already this Lenovo Vantage or Lenovo Vantage services. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can see here the uninstall. So click this uninstall and then click yes. So same with Lenovo Vantage services. So you need to uninstall. Alright, so once you did here at programs and features and then close, and then the other solutions we will do is to update drivers. So all you have to do is to click on the start menu, and you need to right click, and then you need to select device manager. And once you open up this device manager, and then you need to find this network adapter. So click this network adapter. So click to expand, and then you need to update our Wi-Fi driver connections. So all you have to do is to select and right click, and then tap this update driver. And we have two options here, search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then we need to select this search automatically. So click and wait to complete. Alright, so the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so in hope to resolve the issues, but if the problem still persists, and the next solutions we will do is to check system files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type cmd, and then you need to right click and tap this run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, so we need to type or enter this keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And this command keyword sfc scan now. So this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker or SFC tool, and which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. So that's why we will do this SFC and scan now. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then we need to close this CMD at here at the start menu, and then we need to restart again. So click only. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Wmiacpi.sys blue screen crash error on Lenovo PC. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.